I'm Nazar Lukasevich. I'm head of Fair Pricing Competence Center and company Hilti, and I participated at CPM program in 2021. Initially, when I was looking for the program, I wanted on one side to structure my existing pricing knowledge, and on the other side, of course, to get new insights, new knowledge, and new concept to understand how to drive pricing in my company. And I would say that CPM program really fulfilled all my needs. What I really like that there is the pricing maturity playbook coming as a red thread through all the program, and in the end gives you a clear roadmap on how to drive pricing excellence in your organization. Of course, last and not least, a great bonus is the invaluable network of pricing professionals that you get being the part of EPP.